Today's video regarding HP NY6200 series. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge in this printer. First step is to switch on the printer. शांतु धीरे बोलना है, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैंने मैगी भी दे दिया है, अब शोर नहीं मचाना है. So ink cartridge chamber door is here, as you can see. Just lift this whole section and you will see the ink cartridges are present there. So we simply go in that place. You just have to push it downwards and then take it out. So it's very easy to take these ink cartridges out. And to install the new ink cartridge, you need to buy a number 64 ink cartridge. Black will go to the black side. So place it here and push it inwards. And now close the ink cartridge chamber door. And your ink cartridges are installed. So it's very easy to install these, and you can check on the screen if there is any error for that. Thanks for watching.